Like, talk a little bit about the Dazzle coolant system that we have installed in this machine. Some of the benefits are a constant level of coolant. You don't have to drag hoses out, put things away, refill your coolant system. It always maintains the same level. We had some problems with this machine when we would use upper and lower high pressure coolant. Um, we would draw the tank down so it would starve some of the other systems in the machine. And one of the systems is a flood flow that lubricates the panels behind the machine, the chip panels. And if they dried out, they could bind up and we could be in have a big problem. Another benefit is you don't get the temperature shock from the temperature of the coolant in the machine, and you add it from the street that's like 40 or 50 degrees, and it shocks the system. We can maintain the same temperature of coolant, and it'll rise with the machine and fall with the machine. It's especially good when we're holding tight tolerances on aluminum. Another benefit is you always know you can set the percentage, and you don't have to use the refractometer all the time and clean it, put it away like you used to.